What if you were alive right now to do something really wonderful in the world? And that if you were to do that, you would live this really wonderful life. You'd become happy and abundant. You'd fall in love with yourself and you would help change the world. And what if I told you that that was absolutely possible? And I know that it's true for you, and I know that's why you're in the world. Now, you may have had some difficulty believing that because of all the changes that have happened and everything that you've experienced, but I know that that is absolutely why you're here. And you're here to do something really wonderful, and I'm going to prove it to you. Today, I have on my site, Any Advice for Today, you can find a message there that talks about how you get to your abundance, and that is this guidance that you can receive that will guide you to who you're meant to be in this world. But beyond that, I'm doing something else. You'll see that message, but that's the name of a presentation that I'm going to do on February 3rd. But before that, I'm going to give you a gift. And it's a little workbook, a little ebook that you're going to use that's going to get you to uncover so much more about who you are because you were needed in the world now to really love yourself and to do what you came to do. And I know that it's within you. Now, I doubted it for myself forever. How could I have done this over 36 years? I sat down and I transcribed this information and a philosophy that could change your life and could possibly change our world. It seems so unbelievable as it did to me. But what happens is you heal. And that's the thing that you want, because when you heal, that means you own all of who you are. And that's when you can live this great life, and that's when you become massively abundant, because you're allowing the energies of the universe to give you everything you're meant to have. And it's just a process of getting there. I just had to write the process and live it, and that's what I'm giving you today. Because you're going to go through this little workbook and you're going to work with it and you're going to say, wow, I didn't know I was this brilliant. I didn't know that I had this much more that I could do. And that's what I'm going to do now. And that's why you're going to come to the presentation if you can, and you'll get even more then. But even if you don't, you're going to get so much more from this little gift for you, because my goal is to have you understand how brilliant you are, because I know what a difference that will make in our world now. I'll see you there. Thanks for being here.